1921 USA 1-cent coin. Today, we're not digging through modern pocket change. We're going back over a century, to the vibrant and volatile year of 1921. This was the tail end of the post-World War I recession, a year of low mintage, and a time when a simple coin, the Lincoln wheat cent, was struggling with poor production quality. Because of those challenging conditions, the 1921 penny is far from ordinary. While most circulated examples are worth a few dollars, the best of the best, and some truly spectacular errors, have fetched 5 and even 6 figures. But is there a $1 million 1921 penny out there? We're going to show you the specific error to look for that could make that dream a reality first. Let's talk scarcity. In 1921, the Lincoln cents were struck at 2 mints, Philadelphia, no mint mark, and San Francisco, the little s under the date. Philadelphia, no mint mark. They struck about 39 million coins. Sounds like a lot, but compared to other years, this is a low mintage. San Francisco, 1921's the real rarity is here. Only 15.2 million were minted. This is one of the lowest mintages in the entire wheat cent series. The low mintage means survival rates are low, and coins in high, uncirculated condition are extremely rare and expensive. The problem is that many 1921 coins, especially the 1921s, suffered from weak strikes due to worn dies and poor production standards of the time. This makes finding one with crisp, full detail a true gem. The top price for a perfect, error-free 1921 penny? A spectacular MS-68 red specimen sold for over $55,200. The best 1921s? An MS-65 red has sold for around $36,000. Those are phenomenal numbers for a cent, but when we talk about reaching the millions, we have to talk about major, catastrophic mint errors. These are the accidental masterpieces, the coins that shouldn't exist. For a 1921 penny to command a 7-figure price tag, it needs to be an unprecedented error on the level of the most famous coins in numismatic history. Let's look for the types of errors that hold this kind of potential. 1. Struck on the wrong planchet. This is the big one. What if a 1921 penny was accidentally struck on a planchet intended for a different coin, like a 10-cent dime, or even a foreign planchet that was mistakenly left in the machinery? The most famous, and most valuable, Lincoln cent errors, like the 1943 bronze and 1944 steel cents, reach values of $300,000 to over $1 million precisely because they were struck on the wrong metal. A newly discovered, unique 1921 cent struck on a rare, high-value planchet could certainly join the $1 million club. No known 1921 penny has reached that level yet, but if you find an unusual color or weight, you must check it immediately. 2. Major die mules. A mule is a coin struck using dies from 2 different denominations or years. While no famous 1921 mule has been discovered, the potential value is astronomical. The famous 2000 Sacagawea $/quarter mule, which has the quarters front die and the dollars back die, sold for over $158,000. A similarly dramatic mule involving the rare 1921 cent would be legendary. 3. Spectacular double die obverse, DDO. While most 1921 DDOs are minor and sell for hundreds or a few thousand, an unheard of, dramatic, Class 1 DDO on a high-grade 1921s would shatter records. We're talking visible, clear doubling on the date and lettering that jumps right out at you. If a DDO were ever found on the same level as the iconic 1955 or 1917 DDOs, its value would soar into the 6 figures, potentially higher with the 1921's low mintage. Time to check your coins. If you have a 1921 penny, put it under a light and grab a 10x magnifying glass. Here's your checklist: date and mint mark. Check for 1921 and look for the tiny S under the date. Remember, the S is the key to the higher value base coin. Color and strike quality. Look for full red RD color, meaning the original copper luster is preserved. Check for a sharp strike. Look for clear details on Lincoln's hair and the wheat stalks. Weak details mean lower value. Doubling, DDO. Carefully examine the words. Liberty, the date, and in God we trust. If you see clear, distinct, shelf-like doubling on the letters or numbers, you may have a valuable double die obverse error. The edges. Look for any sign the coin was struck off center or is missing a piece, a clipped planchet error. The more dramatic the error, the more it's worth. An extreme off-center strike that leaves a large blank area is highly sought after. The 1921 Lincoln cent is a true sleeper coin. Its low mintage and tendency for weak strikes make those high-grade examples a fantastic investment, already reaching tens of thousands of dollars. And while a $1 million 1921 penny hasn't been found yet, the existence of other high-value wheat cent errors proves the potential is always there. If you believe you've found a major error, do not clean it. Get it authenticated and graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC. That's the only way to confirm its rarity and unlock its true auction potential. Do you have a 1921 cent? Go check it right now. Let me know in the comments if you've found a San Francisco mint mark or an error. Like this video, subscribe for more coin hunting secrets, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy treasure hunting. Money bag.